Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. Today we're making a simple bagel sandwich and we're going to be putting some bacon, some scrambled eggs, as well as some cheese and some onions in there. And so we're just going to get right to it. First, we're just going to prepare all of our things. So first we're going to scramble some eggs. That's pretty simple. We just whisk everything. I usually add some black pepper and some salt, and then we're going to fry that in some butter. I don't like my scrambled eggs runny at all. They have to be dry, no trace of liquid in there whatsoever. But if you're the type who likes it somewhat wet, then you can do that. So we're going to get our scrambled eggs ready and then put that to the side. And then we're going to go ahead and fry our streaky bacon until it's nice and crispy. And so you can see that happening there. Nice, lovely smell. And once that's done, we're going to put that to the side also. And then the bacon is going to render some fat. And we're going to cook our onions in that fat because you want all that extra flavor not going to waste. So once our onions have gotten a bit softer, we're going to add some balsamic vinegar so that we get that nice, slightly tart taste. And then we're also going to be adding some salt and some water just so that we get our onions nice and soft. Once we have all our ingredients ready, we're ready to assemble the sandwich. And so we're going to butter our bagel, just put a little bit of butter, not too much. And then immediately after, we're going to add some rocket or arugula, depending on where you're from and what you call it. And then just put the bacon on top, and then the scrambled eggs, then the cheese, whatever cheese you have is fine, and then the beautifully browned onions on top of that as well. And once that's done, you're just going to put the other half of the bagel on there. I did not do anything to the bagel apart from heating it in the oven. I kept them in the freezer beforehand, and so just before I was ready to assemble that, I put them in the oven for a few minutes just to get it to soften, and then that was it basically. And so there you have it, your egg, cheese, and bacon bagel. Absolutely fantastic. It was super delicious. I think it's also really easy to make. And so if you're willing to try something new for this year, then you can do that. If you're in Ghana and you're trying to find out where you can get these bagels from, I will link that in an Instagram post, so make sure you're following. As usual, the recipe is up on the site right now, and I hope that you enjoy. I will see you next time. Happy eating!